Everybody, welcome back to Smoke Red BBQ's YouTube channel. I just got back from probably the best barbecue experience I have had to date. Justin from Maniac had contacted me, or I contacted him. Probably I contacted him. Say, I would love to do a collaboration video with you. We live not too far from each other. How can we make this work? I'm leaving the local area here pretty soon, so time was of the essence. So long story short, we connected. I was going to come out, so I did. I drove to his house, and it was going to be a fun collaboration with just me and him, and we're going to go and do some brisket, do some ribs. It was going to be absolutely awesome and fantastic. I didn't know this, but he surprised me in he's very good friends with Greg from Ballistic BBQ. So he was able to get him to come out as well for the collaboration. So I don't want to sound too fanboyish here, but Greg from Ballistic BBQ, he has been the main person I have tried to emulate or focus my barbecue cooking on, and just I learned so much from when I first started cooking barbecue. This day and age, we learn so much from the internet and so much from YouTube. And when he started this thing doing barbecue in '09, I started doing barbecue a couple years later. He was what always came up, and I followed him since the beginning. So to meet him in person was absolutely awesome. It was surreal experience nonetheless. So he was there, as well as Justin from Maniac. So we had a amazing time. We cooked some amazing brisket. We cooked some pork butt ribs and some steak too, which I don't think will be in the video. But so what I did here is took some small footage of what happened over the weekend and over the course of a couple days, and just compiled together for a fun video just to compile. Justin actually did the full video, which he has just released now. So I'll leave a link in the description or an iCard or something to that effect. Go over there and watch the full thing. But I have a couple, a little footage too that I took as well. It was awesome. Thank you so much for Justin for putting this together. I'll remember this for a very, very long time, and I cannot wait until we do this again. Thank you. All right, so I am about half-mile away from Maniac's house. This should be a fun trip. I never actually met him before in person, so this will be a fun time. The real first time I actually met a fellow YouTuber in person. So that'll be then not just on my phone or on the computer screen. So that'll be a fun time. Hopefully I can get as much footage of this trip as I can, and I'll post it after we get started. So thanks for inviting me over, and it should be fun. All right, I am in Maniac's closet, looking at his barbecue rubs. It's like a dream come true. So here we are, still at Maniac's house. We're doing some briskets. We're doing some pork butt. I just can't tell you how awesome this experience is. So pretty good. Sitting in the greatness of barbecue kingdom here, standing on the shoulders of giants, getting to see how the masters do the work, and how the masters create barbecue perfection. All right, we're just sitting out here messing with Maniac Lone Star Grill. Huge offset. Let's see what's going on in here. Getting a little low. Just about 225 right now. I'm going to add some more stuff to it. You told me 10 years ago I'd be sitting here messing with Maniac barbecue. Wouldn't have believed you.
It's just a little flavor pop.